Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 6th, 2025, and we're diving into AECOM's second quarter fiscal 2025 earnings report. AECOM, a global leader in infrastructure services, has just released its latest financial results. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch, to help us break down the numbers. John, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me. AECOM's latest report is quite impressive, with significant developments across various financial metrics. I'm excited to delve into the details.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. AECOM reported a revenue of $3.77 billion for the second quarter, which is a 4% decline compared to last year. However, the net service revenue increased by 4% to $1.87 billion. John, can you explain the significance of these figures?
Absolutely. While the overall revenue saw a decline, the increase in net service revenue is a positive indicator. It highlights AECOM's focus on high-margin services and efficient project execution. The operating income also saw a substantial increase of 28% to $258 million, and net income rose by 38% to $154 million, showcasing strong profitability despite the revenue dip.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Now turning to earnings per share, AECOM reported an adjusted EPS of $1.25, which is a 20% increase from the previous year. This beats the analyst forecast of $1.15. John, what does this tell us about AECOM's performance?
This is a clear indication that AECOM is outperforming expectations. The 20% growth in adjusted EPS reflects the company's effective cost management and strategic focus on high-margin projects. Beating the forecast, even with just one analyst, underscores the company's strong operational execution and financial health.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, AECOM's adjusted EBITDA increased by 8% to $290 million, and free cash flow surged by 141% to $178 million. The backlog also reached a record high of $24.27 billion. How do these figures position AECOM for the future?
These metrics are very promising. The increase in adjusted EBITDA and free cash flow indicates robust financial management and operational efficiency. The record backlog, driven by a 1.1x book-to-burn ratio, provides strong visibility into future revenue streams. Additionally, AECOM has increased its financial guidance for the second time this year, reflecting confidence in sustained growth and profitability.
CEO and leadership insights. Let's discuss the insights from AECOM's leadership. CEO Troy Rudd mentioned the company's strategic objectives and its role as the official venue infrastructure partner for the LA28 Olympic Games. What does this mean for AECOM?
CEO Troy Rudd emphasized AECOM's ability to deliver on its strategic objectives despite global political dynamics. The partnership with the LA28 Olympic Games highlights AECOM's competitive edge in infrastructure services. Rudd also expressed confidence in a multi-decade growth cycle driven by global infrastructure investment, energy, and sustainability demands, which bodes well for AECOM's long-term prospects.
Key takeaways. In summary, AECOM has delivered a strong second quarter with impressive profitability and strategic advancements. The company's ability to beat EPS expectations and increase its financial guidance highlights its robust operational performance. Thank you for joining us, John, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on AECOM's performance in the comments below.
Thank you for having me. AECOM's results are indeed impressive, and it will be interesting to see how they continue to leverage their strategic initiatives for future growth.